To download ringtones on a Samsung S25, you have to start by opening Google Play Store, and I can recommend you to use this Zedge Wallpapers and Ringtones application. It's completely free. There's actually over 500 million downloads, so it's very famous application, and you can simply get it on your phone. Just allow for all of these permissions that will pop up right here. You don't have to actually purchase this premium. You can just click here, then go into ringtones, and now you can find some popular collections, but you can also search for some specific one. So let's search, for example, for this phrase. Go into ringtones, and here you can find something. You can play this if you want to check if you find this one. I just turn off the sound, so let's turn it on. Yeah, so if you find your your ringtone, you can simply tap on this button, and now you can select what would you like to do. So in our case, set ringtone, or you can also save to media folder if you want. And right now we can find this ringtone. We should be able to find it in the audio files, and yeah, as you can see, it's just right here. We can now play it or set it up as a ringtone. So that's how it actually works.